All my life I've ridden trains, holidays, regular days, paydays, birthdays, good days, bad days, trains, piss in the subways, people running late, angry at the train they just missed, angry cause the boss gon' be pissed. Trains, brakes begin shrieking as the train arrives at a stop. Philly blunt guts piled on the floor between peculiar smelling seats. Keys scratch nicknames on plexiglass windows just to get recognized. But recognized by who? Who's to say they even ride the same subway car you do? Trains used to climb underneath the turnstiles when I was a child. Spent the change that I saved on Mike and Ike's and other junk till I was old enough to know better, big enough to get stuck. I used to catch the train to the other side of town to see the teenage love I once found. Skin smooth and brown like a chocolate shake. My God, I used to like to watch that chocolate shake. I didn't care how many trains I had to take, not when we had love to make. Trains rolling into train stations with impatient folks sit waiting, school children chattering, soda splattering on the floors of cars. Party people stumbling home from bars. Catching trains is better than driving, more chance of surviving. Pickpockets seeking crowded cars filled with so-called innocent riders. The chunky pockets fat with corporate capitalist cash. A bump, a grab, an innocent look, an apology, and to the next car a con man must dash. An undercover cop salivates as he anticipates such an act. Soon the thief is surrounded, his plans are shattered, but the train is intact. Young couples tongue wrestle in the back, invisible in the eyes of their passion, both dressed in ghetto fabulous fashion. A young mother smacks a child for standing in the seat. A young man stands in the front of the door, Walkman torturing his innocent eardrums as he stands patiently tapping his feet to the beat. Maybe it's hip hop, maybe it's rock.